Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, you guys saw it, we're going to be unboxing February's box from Boxycharm. And I'm just going to show you guys what I got this time. I'm not going to try anything on. Obviously you can see I have makeup on my face and I don't know if it looks good or not to you guys. This kind of was a first impression type of day. So yeah. That video will be after this one. As you can see, our boxes are bigger. And I did not receive a detail card that looks like a posted card that has all the products information and prices on it. So I did receive it through email though. So I will go ahead and list the prices on somewhere on the screen as I'm talking about them and showing you what I got. So I do know the theme of the box is Adora because it is the month of Valentine's Day. The first thing that we did get is the facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. It helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten the skin. So this is the only thing that I took out of my box and used right away because I was so excited. And I do use these morning and night, and they are just these pre-soaked pads. And they're really moist, and my skin feels amazing after using them too. So I have been using them probably for about 4 days now, and I've been enjoying it. Something that was in my box that I knew was coming in my box because I personally chose it, it is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This was in the shade Noisette, I think. Not sure, but it's that shade right there. And I was super excited when I saw that I had a choice to choose this foundation. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but the box that got sent out that had our shade card in it where you were supposed to kind of go through the shades and see which one fits you best and send it in to let them know what your complexion shade is, that box got stolen from me. So I never received that box. So I thought I was never going to receive any complexion products because they didn't have my shade. But when I saw that I was able to choose this foundation and then choose my shade of what I thought would work for me, I was so excited. I did receive a concealer from them as well. So I'm receiving complexion products, so I'm so happy. But anyways, I actually did order another shade from the Boxycharm site when they were having, I don't know if it was one of their pop-ups. I don't think it was one of their pop-ups because you only got to choose between 4 or 5 products. It wasn't a pop-up. So it was something else, but everything was discounted. So I did order a different shade because I was like, crap, did I order the wrong shade? So I ordered another shade and it was only $12, but I know that the actual price of this foundation is $44. But the shade that I did order that I paid for was a little bit too of a yellow undertone for me, a golden undertone. So it would definitely work in the summertime. So I think now I have one for the summer and one for the winter. So I think this one will work a little bit more better. It is a little bit more on the neutral side than the other one. So I am super excited to try this foundation, and I will be trying out, since I'm not doing a try on right now, I will be making another video. It is themed Boxycharm as well, so I'm not going to give you too many details, but I will be trying on this foundation in that video. Something else that I was pretty intrigued of getting, this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So everyone that I watched because I love watching these Boxycharm videos, so everyone that received this powder was like, I was hoping I would get this, I'm so excited. I did not really know much about it until I started seeing people receive it in Boxycharm. I'm familiar with the brand, but not with this actual powder. So not sure. I did take it out and look at it. I didn't even open it up to smell it. So my fingerprints are on it. But again, it's their beautiful little bow packaging. I do have a blush from them that I received from Boxycharm, and I love it. Okay, so I can't smell it. Let me just open it up and see if it actually smells like coconut. Tweezers. I need tweezers. I hate opening these powders because I feel like powder just goes everywhere. Try not to get powder on my nose. Ooh, it does. It's not like a hit you in the face over fragrance coconut scent. It's like it just smells refreshing. Like it smells like coconut. So good. Okay, so yes, so I will be trying this powder out as well in that video. I kind of felt like this video wasn't worth doing a try on just because I didn't receive that much like actual makeup, like beauty products. Basically, beauty wise, these are the only two things that I received, was the foundation and the setting powder, and then everything else would just be normal makeup that I already had. So that's why I'm not doing try on style in this video, but I am excited to try this out. So the fourth item that I did get in my box are these makeup removing wipes, or refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. They are from Avios Skin and times Aurora, so I'm guessing it's a collaboration maybe, I'm not sure. But they are supposed to remove makeup. I guess this is like a whole skincare line sort of thing. So you can kind of just use these to just kind of clean your face even if you're not wearing makeup, to just kind of feel more refreshed if you're like oily or whatever it may be, just came back from the gym, whatever. Or to like actually remove your makeup, which I will be using these to remove my makeup because I can never have too many makeup wipes. Last but not least, in my box, I received the AlAhmad Cosmetic makeup brushes. So I have received their eyeshadow the eyeshadow brush trio set in the past, and I really like them and enjoy them. I use them all the time. As well as I received their blush trio in the past in Boxycharm as well. So they do a lot of, I guess, like collaborations or whatever with Boxycharm. So they are in Boxycharm pretty often. I am so sad because I think I signed up for Boxycharm right after they sent out their AlAhmad's first eyeshadow palette. So I never got that eyeshadow palette. I mean, of course I can always buy it, but I did not get that. But that was in a Boxycharm as well. But I was so excited. I was hoping that I would receive these brushes and not the sponge, like beauty sponge, the trio set, whatever that was. I was hoping I did not get those because I am so picky with sponges, and I feel like I don't get enough use out of them because I only really use my sponges to set my concealer. Like I do not use them too often to like put foundation over my face. Sometimes I do, but I really like using foundation buffing brushes better. That's just how I prefer to apply my makeup. But I will use a beauty sponge to like set my, I do like it to go under my eye and things like that, and kind of press my makeup in after setting my makeup with setting spray. So yeah, I would get more better use out of these brushes. So I was so excited, and I love the color, I love the brightness, and I love when I watch Boxycharm videos and I see Kathleen Lights and I see her unboxing her stuff, and I get so excited. Like I know sometimes she's actually surprised, like she even said it, but I know there's moments where like she doesn't know that AlAhmad is in the box, and then she gets so excited, and I love seeing her because I know she's like really good friends with the person who created this makeup line. So when I saw her unbox her box, even though I'm sure she got sent these brushes, I was so sad for her that she did not receive these brushes in her box and that she received the sponges instead. Anyways, that's just a little rant, but I was like, oh, she didn't get the brushes. But again, I know she's really good friends with the person, so she probably got these anyways, but whatever. Okay, so we have this brush here, which this is the brightening brush. So this brush is good to like put some brightening powder like around like in your brightening area, you know, like some setting powder around here, or like to go under the eye. It's like kind of flat too, so I'm really liking how, can you guys see? Sorry, I'm really liking how flat it looks to go like under the eye and just kind of like set your face with some powder. So that's what I will probably use this for. This one, and I love these little net thingies on it too to like keep it from like, sometimes we receive brushes and the bristles are all like bent out of shape, so that's really smart. So I really like that. This is the complexion brush. So this one here I will probably use as like contour or like a blush brush, you know, I don't know, whatever. I have makeup on my face, so I don't want to dirty them, so whatever feels more comfortable. But yeah, so I would probably use this as like a contour bronzing brush or a blush brush. Don't know, we'll see. And then last but not least, oh my god, we have the bronzer brush. So I guess this is complexion brush, so maybe this was meant more for like blush. And this one's a bronzer brush. So I was gonna use this as like a buffing foundation brush because it would look like a flat kabuki type of brush. But as you can see, I don't know if you can tell or if you can see, but like it's really bumpy. And some foundation brushes actually are coming out like that. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try it for bronzer and see, because I mean they're calling it a bronzer brush, and the way that it's made, like maybe it's just really meant to just buff in your bronzer and make you look flawless. It's not super stiff. Like when this is my Buff Ultimate Blending Brush from Elf, and like the way it feels, like I don't like when the kabuki is super long for my foundation, because I don't like when the bristles bend. Like I like it to be a little more stiff. So I might go ahead and just use this as what it's for, as a bronzing brush, and just use this one as like a blush brush. But anyways, I'm just rambling on and talking so much. So yeah, that's everything that I received in this month's Boxycharm. Again, I am super excited about this box just because of the foundation and the brushes. I am fine that I received the powder, and I am really fine with using and getting these facial pads. I've been super into skincare lately. Like I will make another video later on about what skincare I've been using and loving, and I just been so into taking care of my skin in the morning and at night, and I've been starting to love it just as much as makeup now. So I'm excited to use these. And of course I can't be mad about getting makeup wipes. I mean, we get all this makeup from Boxycharm, we need something to take it off, so you can never have too many makeup wipes, so I'm okay with getting makeup wipes. So yeah, that is everything. Once again, I think I already said that and I just started talking again. So, oh, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Don't forget to like. All right, until next time guys, bye.